I hear this excuse a lot that black men tear down black women, right?
Mm-hmm.
What have you heard them say? Like, I want to know, like, what have they said specifically?
Black women are aggressive. They don't cater to their men. They're argumentative.
They bullheaded. They don't have no hair. They angry.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's new.
Yeah, I heard that.
I've never heard that.
Yeah, they like bullheaded, angry. Yeah, they be calling
They're
out.
not submissive.
Yes.
They're argumentative. Like, I've heard that a lot. Very aggressive.
But it'd be the same thing. Like, if a black woman curse you out, you Aggie, but a Spanish girl or some other, spicy Latina, like, bro, it's the same thing.
Oh, hell no.
Not me.
Hell no.
A lot of black
I need
guys,
peace. I need peace at all times.
No matter the race,
I
right?
need peace at all times.
At all time.
I mean,
okay.
because from what I see, like, I mean, I'm around my boys all the time. I'm around other guys all the time when we go out to events and like we're involved in the entertainment industry, right? I really don't see that.
Do you have a...
When I hear it, who, me?
Yeah.
Hell the fuck no. But that's besides the point, right? Like, when we go out, we don't ever go with the initiative like, yo, like, and start saying, like, yo, we gonna date this specific woman because she's not black, or because we feel like she's not loud, or she acts a different kind of way than black women.
Yeah.
I have not seen, like, majority of guys do that at all. Feel me? And I'm talking about guys who, like, they have fun, they outside.
Yeah.
I think some guys might not be vocal about it, but some guys...
And I think guys are more vocal to girls about it. Like, you have your... I don't want to say, like, even in college, like, guys used to be like, I went to like a predominantly white school, and they used to be like, oh, you know, we only date these girls because they this and that, and it's just like, yeah, I don't know, like, I've seen it, and guys will say it.
White is a whole different territory.
Yeah, you take
Have y'all ever dated a white woman?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna listen. I'm fucking one though. I say that. Yo, listen, they fun, man. They fun, but I don't know.
You wouldn't bring it home?
Nah.